Hello friends, we will practice to speak English today by the story of Hare and the Tortoise from the story of past temper which we have been hearing since childhood. This story is considered very famous in Hindi, so we know it completely. So let's get started. The Hare and the Tortoise. Once there was a split hare who bragged about how fast he could run. Tired of hearing him boast, the tortoise challenged him to a race. All the animals in the forest gathered to ask. The hare ran down the road for a while and then paused to rest. He looked back at the tortoise and cried out, "How do you expect to win this race when you are walking along at your slow pace?" The hare stretched himself out alongside the road and fell asleep thinking, "There is plenty of time to relax." The tortoise walked and walked, never even stopping until he came to the finish line. The animals were was cheered so loudly for tortoise that they woke up the hare. The hare stayed young and began to run again, but it was too late. Tortoise had already crossed the finish line. Moral of the story: slow and steady wins the race. Friends, did you find it helpful to increase your fluency in speaking English? Please share, subscribe, and like. Thank you.